my channel. Today I have something really exciting for you. I have the OnePlus Nord, the very hyped OnePlus Nord. And other than that, there is a giveaway at the end of the video. So please watch the whole video and you can also participate in the giveaway. The rules and everything will follow at the last of the video. So let's get started. Let's peel the plastic and okay. OnePlus has opted for a really minimalist design with this box. This Nord feels good in hand. So here goes the box. Okay, let us keep the phone aside for a moment. Let's see what we have in the box. This is the Warp Charge 30, the fast charging, along with the red cable. I wish they would have gone for the black cable because that would have been really great. And other than that, this is the okay, that's stuck. This is the charging brick. Let's keep this aside for a moment and let's check out what we have here. This is the welcome letter. This is about Nord. If you can read it, it's the details. I mean, what Nord is and what everything about the brand and everything. Other than that, let's keep this aside. I think there should be a cover in there. Okay, this is a this, if you can check, this is a little different kind of cover. Other than that, we have some paperwork. Okay. Oh, these are OnePlus Nord stickers. These look really cool. Other than that, this is the quick start guide. This is the safety information. This is the Red Cable Club card they have started giving from OnePlus 8 Pro. And this is the SAR value related details. Let's keep all these aside and let's. So here is the device itself. I mean, I love peeling the plastic. Probably that's why I choose to be a tech reviewer. I think that. Okay. It's a little, I mean, I was expecting it to be a lot smaller. It's the gray onyx color. It has, I think, 4 cameras in the back. This is the flashlight, same OnePlus switch, the and power button. On top there is nothing. This is the microphone, the secondary microphone. The SIM card tray is on the bottom. This is the speaker grill. And this is the USB charging. Let me just quickly remove this. And this is the OnePlus branding. There are 2 cameras on the front. This is the whole device. It's pretty sleek. I mean, it's a glass back. It's a glass metal sandwich between the glass. The glass seems durable. Let me just quickly set this up and show you my first impressions and share some photos and everything with you. So let me just quickly get back. So here the device is all set up and ready to go. I'll give you a rough overview of the design. The design, it's a plastic body, or the side is plastic and front and back is glass, Gorilla Glass 5. The buttons are metallic though. I don't know why OnePlus chose it that way, but still, it is a 6.44 inch AMOLED display, 1080p display. Other than that, it is a 90 Hz display. 6 GB, it starts at 6 GB RAM, 64 GB storage. This one is 8 GB RAM and 128 GB variant. Other than that, there is 2 SIM. It's a dual SIM phone. There's no external memory card slot and no 3.5mm jack. The fingerprint, I really like the fingerprint placement. It's a little towards the bottom of the screen. The phone feels really smooth in hand because of the 90 Hz. I cannot show you in a 30 FPS video. It's difficult to show, but it's overall very good. The in-hand feel of the phone is also really good. I mean, the grip and everything is also very good with the phone. So overall, it's a pretty decent device design-wise. I really like the design. It's pretty standard OnePlus design. There's nothing new here. Here I'm comparing the OnePlus Nord with my OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus 8 Pro is a slightly bigger and a lot heavier compared to Nord, as it is a flagship phone. So it's pretty much understood also, and it has waterproofing and everything. So it's a little heavier and a little chunkier also. The back is, I mean, I cannot choose between the green and the onyx color. I like both. The camera bump on the 8 Pro is huge compared to the OnePlus Nord. OnePlus Nord also has a little camera bump, but it's not that prominent on the phone. The top is similar, just the secondary microphone. Bottom speakers also on OnePlus Nord is decent. You'll get pretty much good quality out of them. Here is the Geekbench results for OnePlus Nord. I'll speed this up to not waste your time. Uh, the performance of this phone is pretty decent. I mean, at the price point that OnePlus is offering this device is amazing. Plus, Oxygen OS being so close to stock Android really uh, is very light operating system, and it can handle pretty much all tasks you throw at it. So I don't think you'll have any problem in day-to-day life with this device. Other than that, I would like to mention that this processor does not heat up as much as older Snapdragon 700 series processors used to heat. So I think Snapdragon improved a lot on this point also. And other than that, it is a 5G processor, so it's future proof also. And here is the Geekbench scores. It is pretty decent, not top of the line, but decent. So here is the OnePlus Nord in comparison to OnePlus 8 Pro, the speed and performance of how it opens and handles PUBG. I don't think there should be a much bigger difference, because 700 series and 800 series processors are pretty much the same in these initial tasks. It gets problematic when you put load on the CPU and do gaming for a very long period of time. As I told, it opened almost at the same time. Uh, OnePlus did pretty good job with the OnePlus Nord. I mean, they have got a lot of things right with the phone. The pricing is decent, and with the cheaper variant launching in September, I think this phone is going to be a very good device overall. I'll be putting my thoughts in my full review, which will be coming very soon. Other than that, we are doing a giveaway. We are giving away a pair of OnePlus Buds and one OnePlus Nord. So to participate in the giveaway, the rules are very simple. You just have to subscribe to the channel, follow our Instagram page, link to which is in the description below, and comment down below why you like the OnePlus Nord or why you want a OnePlus Nord device. And the winners for the giveaway will be announced on 13th of August. Other than that, you will also get a chance to be in our review video. The winner, whoever wins the phone, will get a chance to be in our review video. So I hope you guys participate in the giveaway, and I am really excited for this giveaway. Thank you so much, guys.